Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Bitcoin has dropped back into the range here after yesterday's spike. There's a couple of possibilities how this could be counted based on the Elliott Wave count. You'll know that I still expect lower lows for Bitcoin. Generally in this larger diagonal pattern to the downside, we are looking here at a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern to the downside. We're still making one more low. However, short term, Bitcoin certainly has the possibility to rally higher. It depends on really which levels are taken out now. And also that will depend on, or that will determine how we are going to label all of this. I have labeled this now as still as an ongoing wave B to the upside. Yeah, as I said yesterday, if we take certain levels out, I will have to adjust the count. Now, at the moment, the way I had it before, I did have a 1, 2 setup here, 1, 2, and another 1, 2 setup here. This is still possible. We haven't made any new highs yet. Yeah, we haven't done that yet. So I might have to go back to that count because in the end, at the moment, we only have 3 waves up here. So this could be complete and we could already be heading further down. Confirmation for that would be if we drop below the 19,080 level, yeah. And if I draw the fibs, it shouldn't really, let's say if we want to move higher, or let's say the focus is on higher, it shouldn't really, or it must not drop below $18,700, right? So it could theoretically come down to that level again, push higher, would still not make a lower low. So anything now should stay above 18,700 to maintain this count to the upside, but really already below the 19,000, what was it, 19,070, 19,080 level would sort of, yeah, how to say, would make a move down more likely again. Yeah. So for me at the moment, Bitcoin is still very, very choppy, very uncertain. I think short term we can still focus on higher here. But again, for me, the Ethereum chart is a much clearer wave pattern. It's much clearer. If Bitcoin certainly has a possibility to push higher here, as I said, in, for example, a wave B to the upside, and we count this as a 5-wave move now in wave C of B, or as a larger 1, 2 setup, but then we need to stay below basically 19,950. So these are the possibilities for short-term upside. Again, any of these moves would just be short-term upside. Bitcoin, by the way, yesterday got rejected at this swing high at around 19,700. That was the beginning of one of the wave 1s to the downside, and this now the wave 2 retracement. So theoretically, this could be over here now and we push further down. At the moment, we haven't made, though, a lower low. So we can still focus on higher as long as we stay above this wave 2 low, which is at 19,080, 19,070, okay? Yes, we have moved back into the channel, but that doesn't really mean much at the moment. Important is which price level is going to hold or not. So for me, this could become a bullish week. We'll see, but it all depends on if these support levels are holding. First of all, 19,070 and then the $18,700 level. If 18,700 doesn't hold, then I think we will retest the $18,200 level. And if that breaks as well, then I think we have a really good chance to retest the June lows. So here with Bitcoin, it remains, we have to keep an open mind. The resistance areas here are very, very clearly defined. 19,700, 19,950, and then the 20,460, 470 level. And these are the next key targets for the bulls. There is a good chance this is just an ABC and we are pushing higher now, and we could now be in the 3rd wave. So what we're doing here might just be the 1, 2 setup of the 3rd wave. And again, to maintain that, we need to stay above that 19,090, $19,100 level. But overall, the trend hasn't shifted to the upside at all. This is still pushing down, and Bitcoin can move all the way up to, let's say, 21,700. yeah, which is based on this high here and the Fibonacci levels of the same, it can push up to 21,700 without really getting super bullish on the daily. Only above that level we have to consider more bullish options. Okay, so I did say that before. It's all based on the Fib levels and which, are we operating in a larger bearish or a larger bullish context. So here at the moment is a bit of wait and see, depending on which levels are getting broken now. How deep does the retracement come? Based on this video and the levels I gave you, you should be prepared now. And it will be an interesting day, I think, after yesterday's spike towards the weekly candle close. And I'll keep you updated. Okay, so hopefully you liked the update about Bitcoin. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.